Are you ready to carve out a little bit of time for your business and for yourself? And this is one of the reasons why you should join this business reset. It's not just another 3 hours of a workshop looking at productivity tools and things to do. It's really taking 3 hours to pause, to reflect, and to understand what it is that we're wanting long term from our business. So be it that you're running your own yoga classes, Pilates classes, breathwork classes, maybe you've got a studio, maybe it is something else. Maybe you've just got that small little home business and that you just really want long-term clarity for that. And it's not about putting more on your plate. It's not about adding things to do. It's really about figuring out, well, how simple can I make it? What are the simplest and the most productive steps that I can take right now? Because I'm sure if you're like me, there is so much going on and you don't have more than maybe even 10 or 15, maybe you're lucky, maybe you even have 20 hours to commit to your business, but you probably don't have more time than that. And if you don't have more time than that, every single minute that you do have needs to be a productive minute. So let's make sure that we are putting a structure in place that actually makes you happy, that feels aligned with where you are in the season in life that you are right now, and the amount of energy and the capacity that you have. Because if you don't have the right amount of energy and capacity, you're really not going to be able to take those steps forward. If this is sounding like it's something for you, check out the information in the descriptions below. It'll be lovely to have you join. It is a 3-hour workshop, but in that time, it really gives you a chance to just pause, to check in with yourself, to reflect, refine, and then actually leave with a really good structured plan that is going to help you specifically. So it is not as generic kind of structure that everyone's getting. It really is something that is going to work for you, your capacity, and your time commitment. So if that's sounding good, check the descriptions below, and I'll see you there. Take care.